The most dangerous dams in the world and how they are built. Introduction. Assalamu alaikum, friends. I am Ali Haider. Welcome to Projects in World. I wish peace and prosperity to all of you. Water covers about 70% of our planet, making it one of the most essential resources for sustaining life. Without water, life on Earth would not be possible. Recognizing its importance, the world's biggest powers have built massive reservoirs to store water. These reservoirs serve multiple purposes, such as irrigation, flood control, drinking water supply, and most importantly, hydroelectric power generation. To store and control such vast amounts of water, dams are constructed. A dam is a large structure built across a river or a valley to control water flow. While these dams provide enormous benefits, they also pose significant risks. If a dam collapses or malfunctions, it can unleash catastrophic flooding, washing away entire cities and displacing millions of people. The destruction caused by such an event could be unimaginable. In this discussion, we will explore some of the most dangerous dams in the world, learn about their size, construction, and risks, and finally, understand how such massive structures are built underwater. Hoover Dam, the most powerful dam in the USA. One of the most well-known and dangerous dams in the world is the Hoover Dam, which is built on the Colorado River. It is the largest hydroelectric project in the United States and plays a crucial role in providing water and electricity to millions of residents. The Hoover Dam was constructed in 1931 and completed in 1936 at an estimated cost of $100 million. If adjusted for inflation, this would be equivalent to more than $2 billion today. The Hoover Dam stands at a height of 221 meters, 725 feet, and stretches for 1,244 meters, 4,080 feet. It has a total water storage capacity of 6.2 million acre-feet, which is more than the size of California's largest lake. During its construction, over 10,500 workers were employed. The working conditions were so extreme that 96 workers lost their lives due to accidents and health hazards. Why is the Hoover Dam dangerous? While the Hoover Dam is an engineering marvel, it is also a potential disaster in waiting. If a small section of the dam were to collapse, the force of the water could cause catastrophic flooding, potentially wiping out cities like Las Vegas, Los Angeles, and Phoenix. The floodwaters could cause millions of casualties and destroy infrastructure on a massive scale. Additionally, the dam is located in a seismically active zone, meaning that an earthquake could weaken its foundation and lead to cracks or even total failure. Another major concern is that the Hoover Dam is considered a critical infrastructure target, meaning that if it were ever attacked or sabotaged, the damage could be beyond imagination. Ataturk Dam, a water giant in Turkey. The Ataturk Dam is another one of the world's largest and most powerful dams. It is located in southeastern Turkey on the Euphrates River. This dam is the largest component of the Southeastern Anatolia Project, GAP, which includes a series of 22 dams and 19 hydroelectric power plants. Construction of the Ataturk Dam began in 1983 and was completed in 1990. It was built at a total cost of $1.25 billion. The dam is 166 meters, 545 feet, high and 1,820 meters, 5,970 feet, long, making it one of the largest in the world. It has a reservoir capacity of 48.7 billion cubic meters of water, providing electricity and irrigation to Turkey and even parts of Syria. Why is the Ataturk Dam dangerous? The Ataturk Dam is known for its extreme water discharge power. When the dam's floodgates are opened, the water flows out with such high pressure that it looks like electricity is being released rather than water. Experts have warned that anything in front of this high-pressure water flow would be completely shattered, even massive buildings and entire villages would be wiped out in an instant. Additionally, the dam plays a significant role in regional politics, as it controls the flow of water to Turkey and Syria. If the dam were to fail or if the water supply were cut off, it could lead to devastating humanitarian crises, particularly for downstream populations. Three Gorges Dam, China's engineering wonder with massive risks. The Three Gorges Dam, located on the Yangtze River in China, is the largest hydroelectric project in the world. It is a massive structure that took 15 years to build, from 1994 to 2009, at an enormous cost of $37 billion. The dam has a height of 181 meters, 600 feet, and a length of 2,335 meters, 7,660 feet. It has a reservoir capacity of 39.3 billion cubic meters, which allows 10,000-ton cargo ships to travel deep into China's interior. It has 32 massive turbines, which produce as much electricity as 18 nuclear power plants combined. This project is considered the most ambitious engineering project in China since the Great Wall of China. Why is the Three Gorges Dam dangerous? Despite its advanced technology, the Three Gorges Dam is one of the most controversial and dangerous dams in the world. The dam is built on a geologically unstable area, which means that landslides or even minor earthquakes could cause catastrophic structural failure. If the dam collapses, it would unleash a tsunami-like flood, affecting millions of people downstream and destroying entire cities. It has already resulted in the displacement of over 1 million people, loss of historical sites, and significant environmental damage. During construction, 88 workers lost their lives, causing major delays in the project. Experts believe that even a small crack in the Three Gorges Dam could lead to one of the worst disasters in human history. Tarbela Dam, the largest water reservoir in Pakistan. The Tarbela Dam, located in Pakistan, is the largest earth-filled dam in the world. It was built on the Indus River to control floods and provide hydroelectric power. Construction of the Tarbela Dam started in 1968 and was completed in 1975. The dam is 143 meters, 470 feet, high and 2,743 meters, 9,000 feet, long. It has a total reservoir capacity of 13.69 cubic kilometers of water. Why is the Tarbela Dam dangerous? The biggest risk with the Tarbela Dam is its location in a developing country with limited disaster response capabilities. If the dam were to collapse, it could cause catastrophic flooding, especially in Punjab and Sindh provinces, where millions of people live. Additionally, the dam is aging, and experts fear that a lack of proper maintenance could lead to cracks and eventual structural failure. If this happens, cities like Islamabad, Rawalpindi, and Karachi could be severely affected. How massive dams and underwater structures are built. Building dams and bridges over deep water is a complex process requiring advanced engineering techniques. The three main methods used for underwater construction are: 1. Cofferdam method. A temporary barrier made of steel sheets or earth is built around the site to block water flow. Once sealed, water is pumped out, allowing foundation work to proceed. After construction, the cofferdam is removed. 2. Caisson method. A large, hollow concrete or steel box is built on land and floated to the construction site. It is then lowered onto the riverbed, filled with concrete or stone, and used as a stable base for the structure. 3. Piled foundation method. For deep waters, engineers drill deep into the seabed and insert steel or concrete piles. These piles anchor the structure securely, ensuring stability against strong currents and earthquakes. Challenges and risks. Water pressure and currents can damage structures. Weak riverbeds require extra reinforcement. Worker safety is a major concern, as construction involves high-risk conditions. Conclusion. Modern engineering and technology have made underwater construction safer and more efficient, but it remains a challenging and dangerous process. Until next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.